Hey guys, we're gonna talk about the Bootstrap grid, not the carousel. Sorry, Bootstrap grid. So what's the Bootstrap grid? The grid is basically the web page. Like it's split up into 12 pieces. Bootstrap grid. Just remember up to 12. So it explains here. It can be like span one, span one, span one. For like smartphones, you can go column dash XS1 like 12 times. So I'll just create a new container. Forget this stuff. Uh, whoa, this is column. For here, the big one. And then we're gonna don't look at these. Don't look at these. These are something else. You can do extra small 5, 6, 1. That works too. And then we're gonna do another 12. Column. No medium. For sorry, medium. For medium. For so you can just copy and paste this. So the dots, all you gotta do is change to either this one. This is the first dot for like if you want medium, extra small, small, medium, large. And then the second dot is whatever column size you want. And then the row is a row, so that's like one row right here. And then I'm gonna type in this column is for size of a span of four spans. That's how they measure it. So paste, Control save, and then it'll be right here. This column is span 4 spans. Oops, sorry, spelled that wrong. Span of 4. Span of 4. Let's see, what else can you do with a div? You can let's see, we can what else do you want? I don't want to make a jumbotron. I'll just make a progress bar or something. I can do that. Okay, progress bar. We'll put it on this one. Save, and then we'll just make a progress bar for fun. It's right here. So it's 70% complete. So we could change it to 50%. So max value is 100. So I'll make it 50%, and then this could then change to 50%. See, 50%. So all you have to change for the progress bar is the width size, this width percent right here, and then it'll change the progress. So you can make it like 0%, not here, sorry, 0, and then also show 0, and then it'll be like nothing. See, the progress bar is nothing, and then I can change it to 20%, and the progress bar is 20%. So yeah. So this is like a div. This is a div, that's a div, this is a div, that's 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 a div. And then you just create some, I created some CSS for the divs to show. Yeah, right here. For every class, because this is a class, so for, I'm looking for a class, this is what this means. I'm looking for a class, so star means all classes, and then I'm looking for the column. This word says column for a class, and then I want to change the background color to this color, so it'll be orange, and then my borders will be 1 pixel, they're solid, and it'll change to that color, like a darker red, and then the last one is how transparent you want it. So I could change this to dotted, and it'll be dotted, which you can't see. Zoom in a bit. Zoom in. See, it's dotted. And then you can change them. Actually, make them maybe a little bit more pronounced. Maybe 5 pixels. Let's see. Not dotted. Let's make it dashed. Let's make them a bit more pronounced. See, they're larger. They're not as pretty, but you can see now. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I got this from this. It's called CSS attribute selector. So you can look up information on Google, and then you go Stack Overflow, and people will answer you and stuff. So it's pretty cool. That wraps up this tutorial about the grid. So yeah, it just divs, and then I'll clean this up, make it prettier. That's too big. Make it 1 pixel. Control S. Let's back to refresh. See how it looks. Looks like that. I don't like it. This is a bit solid. Let's make that solid. Let's play around. 1M. Oh yeah, 1M is like, these are just measurements of space. And then it's a typography space. Like it's like 1M. It's like 1 letter. How much space you want is like 1 letter. So 1M is like, I want 1 letter. Or 1M space. So that's where that comes from. And pixels are pixels. But these aren't really pixels. It's like pixels toward the letter. So they're just measurements. Sorry for not explaining well. So they're just measurements of how big you want, like the line or the pixel. Let's change the color a bit. Let's use a rgba color wheel. Change the color. make it red. Maybe I should change it pink. This is basically this is how RGBA works. It's like red, green, blue, and how pronounced you want the darkness to be. So it's gonna turn out red. So it looks like that. Pretty cool. So you can do it 0.3. You make it lighter. 0.2 makes it more transparent. You can do 0.1. It's pretty cool. So this selector color is like RGBA, and then this is red, green, blue, and then the last one is transparent, and it's pretty cool. It's so pink, guys. It's so pink. Alright, I'm done with this tutorial.